In this video, I'll be going over how to find the area of parallelograms. The formula for area of parallelograms is base times height. Below are 4 examples. For the first example here, we have the base as 8 feet, and then we have the height as 5 feet. So we take the area equals 8 feet times 5 feet. And 8 times 5 is 40, and a feet square. So that's the area of this parallelogram. Now for the next parallelogram on the right, we have a base of 4 yards, and then we have a height of 6 yards. Putting that in the formula, we have 6 yards multiplied by 4 yards, and that comes out to 24 yards square. Now for the next example, we have the base as 12 inches and then the height as 2. So we'll write the formula as follows. We have base at 12 inches and then we have height at 2 inches. So 12 times 2 is 24 and then inches square. And lastly, we have a parallelogram with a base of 8 and a height of 6. So we'll take the formula and plug in the 8 times by 6, and that gives us 48 cm square. So these 4 are examples of how you find area of parallelograms. We also have other area tutorials where you can find in the comment section of this video. Hopefully this is helpful to you, and thank you for watching.